count?
Yeah, it's hard
Ilan
to
na? Ilan na? 2, 4,
6, 8.
Oo, mga tip lang to binibigay. Naiipon ko to kaso nga lang.
Tip, oh. Kita mo,
Kunti
guys,
lang naman to eh.
Madali lang magkapera dito sa, ano guys, dito sa Canada.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Meron kasi siyang part-time na Paypay. Binibigyan siya ng tip. 10.
Oh, tignan na kayo. $6. Bilangin ko lang.
Oh, hatiin mo sila.
Pa yan, Han. Sige, sige.
Alright guys, yan, nagbabalik tayo sa Lucky Tracker. Today is December 25. First of all, big shoutout muna sa aking kumare at kumpare si Marian Rosales at saka Roland Rosales. Oh, dito rin yung aking anak. Ate Paypay, si Hanak. Binigyan si Baki ng ano?
Can I have it?
No.
Binigyan si Baki ng red. Oh.
Read it.
Oh.
Read it.
Binigyan si Baki ng
Hi, Baki. Merry Christmas, Anak. Wishing you a holiday season as bright as your smile. God bless you. We love you.
from
Ninong Roland.
Ninong Marian. Yan guys. Oh.
Marian.
Okay, so hi Baki. Read it again. Come, Baki. Read it again.
Okay.
Let me hold it. Read it again.
Okay. Hi, Baki. Merry Christmas, Anak.
Inaanak.
Inanak. Okay. Inanak. Wishing you a holiday season as bright as your smile. God bless you. We love you.
From? There's more.
From Ninong Roland, Ninang Marian.
Alright. Alright guys, Merry Christmas din sa inyo, Mare. Ayan, di na kayo pumasok dito. Meron pa sanang pagkain yan. Saan sila pupunta doon?
May dadaanan
May
pa sila.
dadaanan. Okay. How many?
100.
$100.
I had $100 today now, but I have $100.
How much is your money total now?
200.
Ate Clark,
No, 201. 201.
how many money do you have now?
201.
201?
What are you gonna buy?
So what are you going to do with the money?
I'm just gonna spend it until I get. I'm just gonna spend it and then.
Save it for now.
Yeah.
Save it for now and then you will buy for something else. Please don't buy a Roblox.
What?
It's not good. You have to buy your own. Save it to buy your iPad.
iPad?
You want iPad?
No, I want a PC.
PC? Wow! You're a gamer?
Yeah.
Okay, yan guys.
You should make content then. While you're gaming like this,
Can you please read this one again? Read it again. Here.
Hi, Baki. Merry Christmas, Inanak. Wishing you a holiday season as bright as your smile. God bless you. We love you. From Ninong Roland, Ninang Marian.
Very good. What can you say to your Ninong Ninang?
Thank you.
Ninong. Ninong and Ninang.
Roland and Ninang
Maria.
Marian.
$100 guys, ibinigay kay Baki oh. Sakto ito. Malaki lang ako sa peso to. Apat na 4,200 kasi 42 yata palitan.
Baki, can you get your wallet and show your savings?
Go! Leave your money here. Go!
Okay.
Go! Yan, marami siyang savings. How many savings he has?
Take that money away from you.
How many savings Baki has?
How about Ate Clark?
Meron siyang pera si Ate Clark. Siya sa lahat of
Kagulo,
money.
magising ngayon si
96.
Oh, gisingin.
Naghila-hila ko kayo ng pom, sabi ni Clark.
Can I take all the graham?
Yeah, you can.
Kinuha ko kasi ito, pinatong dun sa pom.
Oh.
Wala kang
Ate niyo po? Ano pa naman kagabi?
Sabi yung styrofoam.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ano ba lang urin yun?
Ha?
Ano nakalagay doon?
Mga alak. Soda.
Where is it?
Sit down na. Kita mo kasi ang puking...
Dito ka, dito, sit here.
Bakit? Cover.
Sit here.
Ito.
Dito, sit here.
Oh, yan. Ito. Kuberan mo muna yung ano mo.
Dinel.
Ikaw, bakit?
Show your money.
Sit down here. Yan. Cover mo na, sit down.
Napakakulit naman.
Sit down.
Napakakulit mo naman. Oh, here. All your money. Count in the front. How much money do you have now?
Baki, we will take that one. We will buy
Ang
Papa's
dami niyang
sequel.
pera. Saan bibigay yung pera niyan?
Yung birthday niya pa yun?
Oh. Yeah, sila Ate Paypay din. Bigay yan.
Yung mga iniipon
Oh, iniipon niya. So, 100? How much?
Count.
200.
Count it.
2. Count by twos.
Naka, sinira na.
4,
Oh.
6.
Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa.
Let me hold it.
It's hard.
It's hard to count.
Yeah, it's hard.
Ilan na?
Mhm.
Ilan na? 2, 4.
6, 8, 10,
No. Count it. Give it me the other.
2,
4, 6 now. 6,
2, 4,
6. It's already 6, 8,
8,
10. So this is 200. 2,
Nobody will take that away, Baki.
Four.
Don't be sad.
Are you sad?
6,
12,
You have 100 again.
14, 14,
$200.
16,
He's beating you now.
6.
18.
150.
no.
Tapos mayroon ka pang coins.
Where's your count?
What count?
It's 300. Oh, you have $300 now.
Oh, car.
Naiipon
That's why you
yung
have
mga
to
binibigay
ipon.
niyo.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Give it to me.
5,
I will buy liquor.
No.
I will buy liquor for Papa. You don't have gift for
Pang-alak,
Papa.
pang-alak.
Baki, $20.
Pang-alak daw.
Baki, you don't have gift for Papa. Where's your gift?
Oh, fix your money.
I'm gonna buy another gift, a new block.
Roblox na naman.
No, not Roblox.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
Get
gonna
your money
give
now.
you a new camera.
Siya lang nakakalam saan niya tinatago ito eh.
Oh, siya lang nakakala. Ilan lahat yan? Na carolingan ni Baki. Caroling birthday.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18. 19.
So 190, 290.
290.
Plus ito pa. Oh, 300.
300.
$300 na carolingan ni Baki.
Hold on.
Nakala.
Oh my god.
Okay. See here. Baki, look.
Hati kayo. Magati kayo.
Look at the camera. $300 na panalunan o na karolingan ni Baki. Thank you sa kumari namin, Marian.
Richer
At
than everyone.
thank you, pare Roland.
Hold up your
Yeah, put it.
Don't ano.
How much money do you have too?
Chika.
Put it in here, put it in here,
Ay,
Mom.
Mommy will count it for you, guys. Mommy!
Ay!
Okay, dali nyo rito.
Sabi
Dito
ko,
tayo.
mag- sila.
Dito tayo.
Ay, binigay ko kay Sinel.
Ah, dyan?
Ayun mo.
Mag-ano kayo ah?
A $100 bill.
Ang binibigay mo?
Yung mga coins, ayun ang binigyan ko sa
How much coins do you have? That's a lot of coins, oh.
Bakit kami?
Dami nilang pera, mga bata, oh.
Oh,
Picturean kita.
this
How
is
much
my
coins
favorite look
yung ibinigay mo sa
coin.
kanya?
This is my favorite
Andiyan
coin.
sa, ano
That's
ko?
10 bucks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sa...
Is that 10 bucks or $2?
Where's the shirt here? Where's the shirt?
There.
Ayan, guys. Alam nyo naman ang lakay tracker ganyan. Kakain na? Ah, sige.
Si Clark, are you gonna eat now, Clark?
Si Ate Papa ma, pupunta rin nalag na tapon na. Magkano naman yung tip mo yan, nak?
Hindi, oo. Yung mga...
Where'd you
yung
get
mga coins ko.
Where'd you get
this? Where'd you get this?
You won't have
Oh,
them.
my work, my work.
Count it. How much is it?
There.
Now na, ha? Tani, naka-video tayo. Tell them that you have nakarolingan mo.
Ay nako, again.
I didn't go caroling.
Yeah, Ate Paypay give you caroling. Show it here.
I didn't sing to
Show it here. Show it here.
time.
What's Carolyn?
Tip lang yan, nak. Tip
Hindi,
lang.
ngayon, ano, mga tip lang to binibigay. Naiipon ko to nga lang.
Tip, oh. Kita mo,
Kunti
guys,
lang
oh.
naman to eh.
Madali lang magkapera dito sa, ano guys, dito sa Canada.
2, 4, 6,
Meron kasi siyang part-time ni Ate Paypay. Binibigyan siya ng tip. 10.
Oh, tignan na kayo. $6. Bilangin ko lang.
Oh, atiin mo sila.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
Nakarulingan.
60, 70,
Kumuha ka nga ng ano, Nel, yung mas matigas para kay Clark.
100.
Mas the metal one. Tapos nahirapan yung sister mo kumuha ng ano yan, pagkain niya. Hati-hati sila.
30,
Guys, look!
40,
That's your money?
50.
Di bibigyan pa dito
I'm
ni
richer
Paypay
than
dito. Split
everyone.
sila.
I'm rich. I'm richer than everyone.
Unti si Nel. Mamaya ka na kumain kasi ang dumi ng pera.
I'm giving you 2 cards.
Si Baki umalis din.
60,
I'm trying to find my other coin.
70,
Na, it's already here.
60,
Dito.
70, 80,
Ano natanggal?
90, 100.
So, ilan lahat yan?
Ewan ako dito, 10
I think
ata.
Ate has 400.
10, 20, 30,
No, it is just $10,
40,
you know.
50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,
Si Ate Papa, pupunta rito.
50. Oh, 10 ata yun eh.
Ngayong isa, 10 rin.
Oo.
O di, paghati-hatian nila,
Yan, ma'am. Mga
Kuha ka ng ziplock.
paghati-hatian nila, kay Clark itong 10 rin kay, ano?
sinel.
Ah,
Si Bang,
sige.
wag na yan. Si Bang, marami
Oo,
ng
kasi
pera yan.
kakukuha lang niya ng $100 kay Ninong Ninang niya eh. Oo. Okay. Alright. Alright, yes, ayan. At nag-enjoy kami ni Mrs. ng
You don't have money anymore?
I do.
New Year! Merry Christmas! Kaya nga. Ito, meron kaming konting ano dito ni Mrs. Nagluto siya ng sabaw na pinapalitan. Pinapalitan kami. Oo. Kagabi pa to, hindi nyo lang nakita. Hindi ko pala napakita sa video. Ayan. Ano? Tapos meron kaming konting alak ni Mrs. Nagiinom kami ni Mrs.
Papaitan.
Papaitan. Nagsisat kami ni Mrs. kasi siyempre alam nyo naman guys.
Hindi ka naman nagpati kami mag-asawa.
Ayan lang ang banding namin mag-asawa.
Alam mo naman sabi mo kami.
Right, mami! Ay, mami ko!
Alam mo na ang linyan mo pa.
Maganda.
Why you don't like it?
Ba't ganun kaplastikan ka dyan? Ikaw naman, han? Libro naman maging plastikan.
Mrs. Iba din.
Saan? Sa truck? Wala. Prodapya ba? Hindi. Alright, tarahan. Tuloy na yung pinapanood natin. Hi guys, morning, nagbabalik tayo. Next day na ito. Kasi si Baki, rinigaluhan siya ng regalo kila Kuya Hinaro. Ninong niya. At kay Ate Maricin.
Wait, I'm gonna bet Baki that he's gonna get
Ito?
Thank you to Ninong Hinaro.
Dalawa lang kasi yung ano niya guys, dalawa lang yung kanyang Ninong kasi nung pinanganak si Baki, COVID. Bawal kasi yung ano.
Isa lang yung nasa simbahan. Isang
Bawal.
Ninong lang.
Bawal ang marami kasi sa simbahan yung panahong kukumelon. Oh, ay, kukumelon ako. Bawal kasi yung sa simbahan yung maraming tao guys kasi COVID nung araw. Naisip ko kukulemon yung nanginirigalo sa akin ng mga anak ko. Ganun pala yung kukulemon.
Lululemon.
Lululemon, sorry. Maganda pala yun. Lululemon. Ignorante talaga tayo kasi puro na lang tayo sa karsada. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga in ngayon eh, yung mga usong mga bag. But anyway, thank you sa mga anak ko.
Wait, hold on,
Ayan.
hold on.
Say thank you muna kay
I guess
Ninong
Bucky's
Hinaro.
gonna win
Ninong
$1
Jen.
million inside this when he opens this. thing.
That's a lot of money, $1 million.
I bet.
Okay.
It's just a guess.
Bakit?
Yung dalawang anak ko, di ba today is the 26 na nasa ano na sila, nasa trabaho sila kasi pero mayroong time schedule ulit sa
Sorry.
New Year. Ayan. What, sige. Ano to mga pera na to, Han?
Thank you ka muna.
Mag-thank you ka muna.
Thank you,
Ninong Hinaro and Ninang Jen.
Ninang.
Ninang Jen for this
Christmas present.
And I hope this will be a great present.
You'll be a great, of course. It will be a great. Ate Sinel, you okay? She's doing a great job already. Okay. Go. Rip that off. Hayaan mo lang siya, Han.
Sige.
Rip it off. Patayuin mo kaya siya dyan.
Sarap nak, sarap.
Okay.
It's a PC.
Sa PC daw.
Wait, ito mga pera niya, PC? Just impossible naman yung PC yung ibigay sa'yo. Oh,
It's
Ring
so
up.
big.
that's big. Oh, wow, it's a toy.
Look at Baki.
Remote, take it out. Oh, yung mga ano, you have a lot of...
Oh, marami kayong
May remote pa
company
yata
yan.
siya, Han.
Yeah, there is. Look.
Bubuksan niya ba o
nice.
i-display?
Hindi
Bubuksan. Dahan-dahan mo, do not just read off the, yung...
Let's
Lewis
open.
Hamilton. That's a one-to-one copy.
How did they
Mercedes
got
Benz.
this? How did they got this? Did they shop?
There's a Mercedes Benz?
Yeah.
Wow! Say thank you!
Thank you. Tangu.
Mercedes Benz.
Do not repeat. Oh, let it mama. Let mommy. Oh, ayos. Oh.
Wow.
Meron yata siyang anuhan. Ay, hindi yata matatanggal, ha?
Hindi matatanggal yan.
How did they got that? Wait, did they shop that?
Yes. Yeah, of course. They bought it. Pang
Well,
display.
what if they randomly got it?
Yeah, they bought that
So
thing.
nice.
Here is.
Parang
Laruan.
meron siyang ano rito. Garage.
Oh, they have a garage. So, ang ganda.
No, that's
Laruan, mga toy. Oh.
I got Baki's money.
Si thank you.
Thank you, Nina.
Thank you, Nina. Oh, yan, tanggal na. Ano to, remote? Oh, hindi.
na.
Parang ano lang
no,
siguro
it's
yan.
it's a model.
60.
Okay, so this is laruan. Meron ano to, may mga motor siklo yan. Lalaruin lang ni Baka yan, pang bata.
No,
Ayan.
that's the people that fix the cars.
Oh, the people fixing cars?
This is like they pause it and then they go to the shop to fix it.
Oh, is it
While
now?
the race is
Oh, this
still
one is-
going.
I think this one is the
tanggalin mo.
race, ano.
Yeah, it's not garage. It's like it's a fast.
Fast lane to they will go in
Fast
there.
lane.
Yeah.
To they fix it. Okay. That's nice.
It's a race car.
Very
thing.
nice.
Teka, parang
It's a race
nakakatakot
car
kami.
Oh, yan, tanggalin mo lahat.
200, 220, 225,
May naka-plastic lang sa dandan lang. Naka-plastic lang.
245,
Wala eh.
200.
Do not take that, that's Baki's money, ha.
I was counting the
Oh.
money.
Meron din siyang na karulingan, almost $300 na karulingan ni Baki na pera. Are you saving the money to buy, ano?
What do you want?
See.
PC?
Yeah.
Yan. Ang lupit ng mga bata ngayon, no?
An unassembled
PC, computer na ang hinahanap.
Unassembled
Jesus Christ.
PC.
May nalaglag si Nel, may
Yeah,
nalaglag.
I know.
Ang galing.
PC.
Thank you para sa ano po na regalo niyo Kuya Inaro. Thank you. Yan. Merry Christmas din po sa inyo dyan.
Can I try doing this? I got this.
300.
Yay, I got it.
Kailangan natin ng screw.
At least I'm not that weak.
Yan, ganyan.
Secured talaga siya eh.
Yeah.
Yan, laruan lang naman yan.
Teka, huwag ko lang sa...
Wait, Mom.
Okay, tabi mo muna to. Give the money to Baki. That's your money. And also here, put it back now. Ayan. Guys, yung
Yes.
mga na karulingan ni
He has
Baki.
$300.
Kasi yung ninong ni Sinil sa Pilipinas naman pinanganak eh. Si
Yeah,
Clark naman wala dito yung mga ninang at ninong niya nasa malayong lugar din na.
Which is
pag-relocate.
fine. It's fine.
That's fine, right? Say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to your ninong ninang.
Merry Christmas.
Shout
and
out.
Happy New Year.
Ikaw din Sinel.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Teka, wala bang screw?
Ipaano mo na lang yan sa anuhan. O, ito, paalam na lang tayo sa video. At least nakita natin itong laruan ni Baki binigay sa kanya. Yung pera ni Baki, ay, tulungan mo. Kawawa naman.
Where's the card na?
How much is that? $300?
Roll it up. Roll it up.
Bibili na siya ng PC.
O, pambili niya ng PC. Kalahin mo yan.
PC. Yeah, $300.
Mayroon pang barya. O, sige, tabi mo muna. Nakarulingan ni Bakit.
It won't
Ano?
fit.
Nakarulingan at binigay sa kanyang regalo $300 na pera plus laruan
Mommy, look.
galing sa ninang niya na si Kuya Kuya Hinaro at Ate
Jen.
Mari Jen. Oo. At
Thank
yung
you,
$100 is binigyan ng ninang niyang si Roland at saka Marian, mag-asawa rin.
Dalawa lang yung ninong niya eh. Kasi
Yeah,
nung
this
time na
thing,
yun,
this
COVID.
screw
COVID.
is too small.
Ayan. So, nagpasala say thank you na. Bakit?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Putulin ko na yung vlog ko dito. At least nakita natin, no? Sa mga susunod na, na serye natin, lalabas tayo. Alright, yes, thank you. Ingat lagi. I love you all. Peace out. Bye. Lakay Tracker.